today topic is maxima or minima. Clear? What is maxima and what is minima? This is the last exercise and this is divided into subtopics. Maxima, minima is the first topic. Tomorrow I'm going to take the local maxima and local minima topic. Clear? And then the statement questions. So आज सारे questions we will do on this topic, that is maxima and minima. Okay, we will not touch any other topic today except maxima and minima. All the questions based on maxima and minima. Clear? So class, what is maxima and what is minima? Clear? Suppose class y is equal to f of x is defined in the interval, closed interval a and b. Y is equal to f of x is defined. Okay. This is for maxima and this is for minimum. So students, yesterday I sent you a video regarding maxima and minima. Have you watched that video, students? Students, any feedback, any answer from your side? Harshin, Maneet, Harshin, unmute yourself. Harshin.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Have you watched that video of maxima and minima?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, actually,
हाँ बोलो शाबाश.
sir, actually, I was solving another chapter.
Okay. Today देख लेना उस वीडियो को, ठीक है? Because
Okay.
today I'm going to deal with this topic maxima and minima. That's why in advance मैंने आपको वीडियो भेज दिया था, so that little bit concept is built. Clear?
Yes, sir.
F of x is equal to f of x defined in the interval, closed interval a and b. ठीक है? So class, this is a and this is b. ठीक है? And this is curve y is equal to f of x. In interval a and b, I have taken these points. This is the interval a and this is the interval b. And in between these intervals, I have taken point x0, x1, x2. Suppose x0 यहाँ पे है, x1 है, x2 है. So where the value is greater, you can see at x1 touches the topmost of this curve. So x1 is the absolute maximum point. Why it is absolute maximum point? Because at this point you are having the greater value. Clear? So this is called absolute maximum point, because at this particular point you are having the greater value. So at absolute maximum value of the curve y is equal to f of x कहाँ पे है? At point x1. ठीक है? So absolute maximum कहाँ पे है? At point x1. And this point where the value this curve attains maximum value is called absolute maximum point. ठीक है? And this is called absolute maximum. Similarly class, again y is equal to f of x is defined in the interval a and b. Clear? So this is a and this is b. A is less than x0, x1, x2 and finally b. So I have taken 3 points. You can take more points. ठीक है? x0, x1, x2. You can see where this x1 is at point x1. Value is minimum. This is minimum value. ठीक है? And this point is called, where the value of the curve is minimum, this point is called absolute minimum point. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Absolute minimum point. And this is the absolute minimum value. Clear class? So today you are going to find absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. Clear? So what are the working rules? ठीक है? So पहले थोड़ा सा होमवर्क करेंगे इसका. What are the working rules? How you are going to find maxima and minima? So working rules क्या है? Working rule. Clear? So y is equal to f of x is defined in the interval. Suppose क्या लेते हैं? Interval क्या लेते हैं? A and B. You can take 2 and 3 in the question. It might be 2 and 3. It might be minus 2 and 3, like that. But always close interval होगा, because these points they are included. So y is equal to f of x is defined in the interval AB. First step is find f of x. Means you are supposed to differentiate the function. Next step is for maxima or minima. For maxima or minima, put f dash x is equal to 0. Class, whether you are calculating maxima or minima, working rule is पहले क्या निकालना है, differentiate the curve, then put the derivative is equal to 0. From this you will calculate the points. Then find all possible points. X0, x1, x2 such that points कहां पे होंगे क्लास? Points are between the interval a and b, that is a is less than x0, less than x1, less than x2, less than b. So these points, they belong to the given interval. Given interval means whatever the interval is given. Okay. Next point is suppose at point f of x0 value क्या है? It's a greater value. At point x0 greater value. Then this point is called absolute maximum value. This is called absolute maximum value at point x0. Clear? So suppose f of x1, then f of x2. Suppose f of x2 you are having lowest value. Clear? Then this point is called absolute minimum value, and this point is called absolute minimum point. So class, working rule is first find the y is equal to f of x defined in the interval a and b. Clear? Then class, then find f dash x, equate f dash x is equal to 0, find out the point should belong to the interval, and then find the maximum and minimum values. Clear class? So let us do one question. Okay. Question number 5, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 12, they are based on this concept, that is maxima and minima. So I am going to deal with question number 5, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 12. Rest question, they are based on the local maxima and local minima. That is a different topic. Okay? I am not going to mix two topics. I will only deal with today maxima and minima. So question number 5 is find the maximum value. Find the maximum value. Find the maximum value and the absolute minimum value and the minimum value. Find the maximum value and the minimum value of the following functions. Function क्या है? F of x is equal to x cube. X belongs to minus 2. Okay? So maximum value and minimum value you are supposed to find. X belongs to minus 2. Clear class? This is the question. Okay? So what are the working rules? First find f dash x. So differentiate with respect to x. F dash x is equal to 3x square. This is the first working rule. Find the f dash x, that is differentiate f dash x. Differentiate the curve. Okay. Then second rule क्या था? That equate f dash x is equal to 0. From here you will calculate the point. This implies 3x square is equal to क्या आएगा? 3x square. What is the answer of f dash x is equal to 3x square? So equate f dash x is equal to 0 means 3x square is equal to 0. What is the answer of x from here? X is equal to क्या आएगा? 0. 0 should belong to this interval, that is -2 to 2. Clear? -2 to 2. So class, today 0 belongs to this interval. How many points are there? This is -2, this is 2, and 0 is somewhere here. So today you are having 3 points, -2, 0, 2. Clear? So, and -2 less than 0 less than क्या है 2. So all these points पे check करेंगे, ठीक है? Then first क्या करेंगे? f of -2 check करेंगे class, then f of 0, then f of 2. ठीक है? F of -2 means put x is equal to -2, so cube. So this is -2 cube is -8. F of 0 means 0 cube, answer is 0. F of 2 means in place of x you are supposed to apply 2. So this is 2 cube, answer is 8. Clear? So class, now see where the value is maximum. Where the value is maximum. Any idea class? You can see this value is maximum. So this is called absolute maximum value. And this value is minimum. So this is called absolute minimum value. So question is find maximum value means absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. So absolute maximum value is 8. कहाँ पे आ रही है class? At x is equal to 2. Absolute minimum value is -8. At point x is equal to -2. So this is the question class. You are supposed to find absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. First calculate क्या किया? That is the point 0. It should belong to this interval. Then f of -2, 0, 2 points are given. One more point find out किया, that is f of 0. Clear class? And then you have calculated the rest. Any doubts class from your side? Class?
No, sir.
चलो एक और करते हैं, सेम क्वेश्चन है क्लास, ठीक है? So then comes another question class. F of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Clear? Sin x plus cos x. X belongs to 0 to y. ध्यान से समझना बच्चे, ठीक है? कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. That's why मैंने आज दूसरा टॉपिक ही नहीं उठाया. So f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Absolute maximum value निकालनी है. Absolute minimum value you are supposed to find, and the point should belong to this interval. So class first rule क्या है? Differentiate. So y dash f dash x is equal to differentiation of sin x is cos x and cos x की minus sin x. This is the first working rule. Differentiate the function. कर दिया. What is the second rule? For maxima or minima, equate f dash x is equal to 0. So put f dash x is equal to 0. So this implies what is the answer of f dash x? Cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. This implies cos x is equal to sin x. This implies sin x divided by cos x is equal to 1. So this implies tan x is equal to 1 is equal to tan 45 degree. So x is equal to pi by 4 and pi by 4 belongs to 0 to pi. Clear? Means class, these close interval means boundary points, they are always included in maxima and minima. So here it is 0, here it is pi. Clear? In between you have found one more point, pi by 4. Clear? Now class f of 0 find out करना है, then f of pi by 4 find out करना है, then f of pi find out करना है. ठीक है? Clear? कैसे find out करेंगे क्लास? f of 0 means यहाँ पे क्या आएगा क्लास? Sin of 0 plus cos of 0. Sin 0 is 0 plus cos 0 is 1. So answer is 1. Clear? Then class f of pi by 4. F of pi by 4 means sin of pi by 4 plus cos of pi by 4. So sine pi by 4, sine and cos, they are equal at only at one value, that is pi by 4, 45 degree. That is 1 by under root 2 plus 1 by under root 2. So this is solve karo. Under root 2 is the LCM, 1 plus 1. So this is 2 by under root 2. Multiply karo, rationalize karo. So this is 2 under root 2 divided by 2. So answer is under root 2. Clear? So what is the answer of f of 0? F of 0 is equal to 1. What is the answer of f of pi by 4? That is under root 2. Now we will calculate f of pi. F of pi is equal to, so that is equal to sine in place of x क्या आएगा? Pi plus cos pi. Sine pi is 0. Sine pi is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Now class, you are supposed to find absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. कहाँ पे है maximum value? Any one of you, which value is maximum 1 under root 2 or minus 1? So this is absolute minimum value of the function at x is equal to कहाँ पे आ रही है? Pi. What is इन दोनों में बड़ा गुण है?
Sir, root 2.
Root 2. Answer is 1 point something, 1.414. So root 2 is greater. So this is absolute maximum value at which point? At point x is equal to pi by 4. Clear? So ये आपको क्या करना था क्लास? Find out करना था absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. Clear? Again class, next question देखेंगे. Ditto सारे ही same है. That's why मैंने deliberately यही वाले क्वेश्चन पिक किए which belong to the today's topic. ठीक है? F of x is equal to, question number 7 है. F of x is equal to 3x4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25 defined in the interval 0, 3. 0. Always here it is close interval because the boundary points they are included. Clear class? So class, पहले क्या करेंगे? First step is for maxima or minima, find f dash x. So निकालो f dash x. Differentiate with respect to x. 4 into 3, 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24x minus 48. Differentiation of constant is 0. So f dash x is equal to 12 common निकालो, x cube minus 2 x square plus 2x minus 4. Okay. So now next step is equate f dash x is equal to 0. So put f dash x is equal to 0. Why? For maxima or minima. From here you will get a point belongs to here. Then in totality you are having 3 points. दो दिए हुए हैं, एक और find out करना है. So f dash x, that is 12x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0 divided by 12 is 0 divided by 12 is 0. Okay. Next, now in totality there are 4 terms. दो की pairing करो. Common क्या है? X square is common. So this is x minus 2 plus 2 common निकालो. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Finally क्या होगा? Club करो. X square plus 2 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Clear class? So this implies either x square plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x square is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 2. This implies x is equal to under root of -2 or x is equal to 2. But this value is invalid. Why it is invalid? Because this value does not belong to this interval. ठीक है, interval आपका real number and this is a complex number. So we will reject this value. So finally x is equal to क्या आ गया 2, and you can see 2 belongs to this interval, belongs to 0, 3. Clear? So points are 0, 3 and one more point, that is 2. So in totality we are having how many points? That is 3 points. Situation is like this. This is 0, this is 3 and 2 belongs to 0 and 3. So first we will calculate f of 0, then f of 2, then f of 3. So calculate karo f of 0. In place of x0, answer is 25. Okay. Now f of 2. Put karo f of 2. Okay. Ayushi, Gagan, Gurkirat, Harshin. Put x is equal to 2 and tell me the answer. Maneet and rest of the class. Put x is equal to 3 and tell me the answer. Fast. Do the calculation and tell me the answer fast. Done? Ayushi done? Ayushi, Gurkirat, Harshin, done? Sahaj, unmute yourself. Sahaj. Sahaj, unmute yourself. Where are you, Sahaj? Class done? So, class, answer of f of 2 is -39 and answer of f of 3 is 16. Clearly this value is greater, so this is called absolute maximum value of the function at x is equal to, at point x is equal to 0. Okay, and this value is minimum, so this is called absolute minimum value of the function at x is equal to 2. Any doubts, class, from your side? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us move to the next question. Next is easy in a class. Is it difficult?
No, sir.
So next is function is f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 24x, 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in the interval क्या दिया हुआ है? Closed interval 1 and 3. Closed interval 1 and 3. And the question is, class, find the maximum value of the function. Means maximum value find out करनी है, not the minimum value, but we will find both. ठीक है? So first step is find f dash x, means differentiate this function with respect to x. So 3 2s are 6x square minus 24. Clear? So what is common here? 6 is common. This is x square minus 4. Okay. Next step is for maxima or minima, put f dash x is equal to 0. So put f dash x is equal to 0. So this is 6 into x square minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies x square minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies x square is equal to 2. What is the answer of x from here? X square is equal to 4. So what is the answer of x? Class, what should be the answer of x? Plus minus 2, because x square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus minus under root of 4. X is equal to plus minus 2. Clear? So there are two answers. One is x is equal to 2 and another is minus 2. So class, you can clear cut see minus 2 does not belong to this interval. So we will leave x is equal to minus 2 and select x is equal to 2, because x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 belongs to 1 by 1 and 3. Close interval 1 and 3. So class, now in totality, you are having how many points? This is 1, this is 3, and in between you got one more point, that is 2. Clear? So पहले क्या चेक करेंगे क्लास? f of 1 पे चेक करेंगे, then f of 2 पे चेक करेंगे, then f of 3. Clear? So Ayushi, Gagan, Gurkirat, go for f of 3 चेक करके आंसर बताओ. Harshin, Maneet and Muskan, f of 2. Niharika, Sahaj, calculate f of 1. Fast. Fast. Done हो गया. Class done. Muskan, what is the answer? Muskan, unmute yourself, बच्चे, and tell me the answer. Muskan.
0. 0.
Yes.
Sir, 0.
Yes. हाँ.
Sir, at 2 it's 0.
No बच्चे, 0 कैसे आएगा? यहाँ पुट करना है.
Sir, at 2 it is
1,
67.
Add 2 is equal to
67.
67. Wrong answer. दोबारा कैलकुलेशन करो. Just
75, sir. At 2 it is equal to 75.
f of 2
Sir,
is equal to 75. Shabash. 1 is correct.
at 3 it is 125.
No. Simply 3 put करो. 3 cube is then minus 24 into 3 and then plus minus करो.
Sir, at
It's
3
very simple बच्चे.
89.
Add 3 is equal to
80.
शाबाश बोलो बच्चे. Ayushi, what is the answer?
Sir, 89.
89. Add x is equal to 3. Answer is 89. So add x is equal to 1. What is the answer? First group, I suppose. No, last. Sahaj, Niharika, Muskan. So at f is equal to 1. The answer is 85. Okay. So class, what is the question? Find the maximum value. So maximum value is maximum out of the 3 values. 89 is the maximum. So this is the absolute maximum value of f of x. कहाँ पे आ रही है? At point x is equal to 3. At point x is equal to 3. So maximum ही calculate करनी थी. Suppose minimum value भी होती है इस question में. So at minimum value is 75. At point x is equal to 2. Clear? Any doubts, class? So next question solve करेंगे. ये आया था 2 marks में. It is given that it is given that at x is equal to 1, that at x is equal to 1, the function f of x is equal to x4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value. Its maximum value. Important question. Attains its maximum value in the interval 0 to 2. Find क्या करना है class? Find the value of a. First, try to understand the question. फंक्शन इज f of x, डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे f dash x